Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you my everyday makeup drawer, reorganization, rearranging and cleaning. So let's start the video. First of all, these are the products which I was bring with me for my vacations. So I make a video on these, so you can watch that video also. And I have this empty box. Let's see which products are fit in this box. And these are my makeup products which I use for every day or occasionally. So first of all, these are the foundations. I wipe it everything and now put the things in the drawer. These are my project pen, lip project pen. So these are all the lippies which are in that project. So I keep all the lippies in this box. This is my new foundation. I like it and I enjoy it. This is from RM Beauty. Friends, this makeup revolution lip pout lip balm glow stick, I buy it recently, so still in packaging, and this is in the shade toffee nude. So that's everything, friends. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, friends.